What's up, YouTube? Just got a quick video for you today. Did you know that at least with some of the most recent updates, you now have the ability to send feedback to Ford directly from the vehicle? Think of it as like a suggestion box, if you would. So what you do is you go into settings, and it's not in the Ford Assistant where you might think it would be, but if you go into general, there is a record feedback option. And if you look at the details here, by using this feature, your voice recording may be used for products improvement, research and development, and other purposes disclosed in the privacy policy, blah, 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 blah. Uh, there you go. So what you do is you get in here, you hit this button.
Record any likes, dislikes, or suggestions about the experiences with your vehicle, and then select Send. No feedback. Your feedback was sent.
So I just recorded a quick message, hit the send button, and it says that it was sent to Ford. Whether or not that'll result in anything, that is besides
Record
the
any
point.
likes, dislikes.
But at least with the updates that we have been getting, it does seem as if Ford is listening to customers. Uh, whether that's from the Mach-E forums, the Facebook groups, or these YouTube videos. Either way, this is just one more way to be able to get feedback directly to the company, which I always think is a great feature. That's it. Thanks.